we've come down this morning. We're at Agadir on the Promenade. We've walked along the beach a little bit and we've walked along the prom a little bit, and in the background you can see the sign on the hill, and that is where we're going to head up in a cable car very shortly and have a look at the top of the hill, looking back down towards the beach. You can see in the distance there is the Marina, and it's a pleasant day. It's not ridiculously warm, it's a little bit breezy and hazy sadly, but it's really nice out here. Lots of people walking around and lots of activities going on, which is very good to see. We've seen a whole load of dogs and a whole load of cats just sort of sitting around enjoying their day. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go and enjoy our day. So let's carry on and go and take a cable car at the top of the hill.
Arriving in Agadir, you're right next to the tourist information, beach and prom to start your day. While you can take a guided tour around the city, we chose to take ourselves around for the day as the city is generally safe and well looked after.
After a stroll along the prom in the morning sun, you can head to the beach, which includes sunbeds for hotels and rent. Sadly, there are a number of stray cats and dogs, but we found them very friendly. The iconic view is over to the Oufella and the God, King and Country sign on the hillside. I'm going to go and test the temperature of the water this morning. Helena's going in, well, with her feet. She's not retreated quickly, so it's maybe not that cold. Yes, it is cold, Jesus. We're off.
Is that a talk?
No, not really. I'm terrified. I hate cable cars.
Here
If you're going to take it, take it.
No, it's quite smooth.
It is, yeah.
actually. It's great. Very smooth. Nearly at the top.
We're near the top, yeah.
We are nearly at
Near
the
the
top.
top.
Get your feet back on the ground.
It's actually so far been a pleasant ride up.
Yeah.
Hasn't been that bad.
Yeah.
It
Not
is
windy.
It's very smooth compared to some of them.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, that path looks a very long walk back down.
Let's not walk
Yeah,
back
let's not
down.
walk back. The Oufella has been the site of a fort or Kasbah since the 16th century, when the area became a Portuguese enclave key for maritime and trans-Saharan trade. As an important commercial area, it was fought over across the centuries, and the Kasbah was highly fortified, including a large gate, ramparts and cannons. Much of the site was sadly destroyed in the earthquake in 1960, but some has been restored over the years. You can hear more about the local Portuguese occupation in our tag suit video. this viewpoint, we can see all the camels and all the people coming up being asked if they want to go on camel rides, and small horses, because there's tiny little horses as well.
Le Téléphérique d'Agadir is the cable car running from the city up to the Oufella. On quieter days like this, you can walk in and get a ride straight away, either return or walking back. The views up to the Oufella and especially back across the city and North Atlantic are amazing. Souk El Had is a traditional Moroccan bazaar housing thousands of small shops in its 13-hectare site. You can buy everything here, from housewares to clothes to local argan oil and a multitude of fruits and spices which smell beautiful as you walk by. Well worth a walk around, and if you haggle well you can score a bargain. Given its popularity, it can be hard to find a space in the car park or a seat in one of its cafes. It's a lot of oranges. How was your shopping experience?
Interesting.
Yeah? What did you buy?
No, I didn't, but you tried to haggle. I failed because I refused to.
I think we both failed.
I just paid full price because I'm an idiot.
Well, we got a little bit off.
No, you tried.
Let's go.
On the outskirts of Agadir, the Medina is a relaxed craft market built following the 1960 earthquake. As Agadir's old town was destroyed, local designer Coco Polizzi built this masterpiece in the 1990s in traditional Amazigh style to give Agadir back its beating heart. Today the courtyard and amphitheatre and meandering lanes house crafts, cultural activities and cafes for visitors to enjoy.
The Prom and Marina are perfect for an evening out as well as daytime. The shops, bars and restaurants come to life and local people are out and about after work. We had a meal at Pure Passion Restaurant, which serves classy European style food in a comfortable setting. Highly recommended.